We solve the equation, e to the power of x plus 5 times e to the power of negative x equals 6. Let t equal e to the power of x. Then t is greater than 0 and e to the power of negative x equals 1 over t. Substitute to get. Multiply both sides by t squared plus 5 equals 6 times t. Rearranging gives us the quadratic, t squared minus 6t plus 5 equals 0. Factoring yields, t squared minus 6t plus 5 equals t minus 1 times t minus 5 equals 0. So, t equals 1 or t equals 5. Recall t equals e to the power of x, so we have two cases to solve. For the first case, e to the power of x equals 1 implies x equals 0. For the second case, e to the power of x equals 5 implies x equals the natural logarithm of 5. Thus, the solutions are x equals 0 and x equals the natural logarithm of 5.